Hi everybody, good day to you. We are hanging out in a 2018 Chevrolet Colorado, I think it is. 68,128 miles on the clock approximately, and the service engine soon warning indicator is illuminated. This particular Colorado is equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. It is RPO code LCV. Now this particular car has a trouble code P0171, air intake system lean. So let's scroll down. I've got the data pulled up here. Let's see what our fuel trims say. Okay, short term, we're hanging out at 15. Long term is 40, that's maximum value. So what it's saying is either the engine is not getting enough fuel or it is getting too much air, meaning there's probably air entering the intake stream that is past the mass airflow sensor. So that air that's coming in is not being metered. This is translating into an imbalance in the air-fuel ratio, and it's trying to compensate that by adding fuel, basically lengthening the injector pulse. So I'm suspecting there's some kind of a leak. Let's see, these GMs are known for purge solenoid valves leaking. They will stick open even when commanded closed. So let's go check that out first real quick, after I pop in the hood. Let's see, don't touch the bird poop, because that'd be gross. That might be a bug. Either way, that's gross. Okay, we need light. There we go, there's some lumens. Okay, this device right here, that is our purge solenoid. And what I'm going to do, it's being commanded on and off right now. I'm gonna disconnect the fuel tank side. Come on, fingies. Do your job. And let's go ahead and pop the connector off, and this will disable the valve. Okay, it's not leaking at this time. That's probably not it. Click. There it is. Yeah, that's it right there. Looks like somebody had the airbox off and they forgot to put it back together. Let's just confirm that this is it. Now, let's take note in our brains of these fuel trims. We're at 15 on the short term and 40 on the long term. So let's go back around and plug that in, and we'll see if our fuel trims start to change and go back to stoichiometric balance. Let's see what we got here. Amazing. Negatives are up, short term is already in the negative, 22, and we're gonna sit here and watch long terms come down. We wanna see like plus or minus 10. All right, well, since I'm extremely confident I've already found the problem, had I not found that, next I would have cleaned out the mass airflow and checked for that, and then visually inspected all of the intake ducting for cracks or torn boots or misaligned clamps, things of that nature. Had that come up dry, I would have installed the smoke machine and then plumbed that intake full of smoke to see if there's a leak that I wasn't able to see. Perhaps a throttle body gasket, intake manifold gaskets, things of that nature. But it looks like when you plug things in and it's all installed correctly, the problem solves itself. Yeah, that came down quite a bit from 40. And just to prove it out, let's disconnect it again and see if our fuel trims start to go back through the moon. Let's see here. All right, disconnected. And look at that. Short terms are back at maximum. Long terms are creeping their way right back up to maximum. Yep, so this is verifiable and repeatable. Problem solved. Plug that back in so it's happy. Make sure that stuff's plugged back in where I found it. This is good. Yes, that's our mass airflow. That also contains, I believe, the barometric pressure sensor and the air intake temperature sensor. On these intake boots, you want to look around to make sure that they're not split. And Same thing down on the bottom where the throttle body hangs out. We want to make sure that that clamp right down there is aligned properly and that the boot is not folded in on itself. Yeah, it looks like somebody has been here before. This has been removed. That's been removed recently. There's some fingerprints here. There's some arm prints over here. Okay, problem solved. Time to clear the codes, ship it. Do 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 do, like clockwork. Do do do. I kill myself. Yep, back down to 7. This is good. I like where we're hanging out. All right, let's clear this trouble code, get rid of that check engine light, and a return of this vehicle to our consumer. Let's see here. I don't want data. I want clear codes menu. Yeah. Okay, lights off. Let's shut her down. Pew! One more restart. We have no light illuminated except for all those lights. Those will go away. There we go. And let's see. Let's go back into codes menu and just check real quick. Make sure nothing reset. Negative. Good to go here. All right, guys. That's going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching this short video. See you guys later. Have a great day. End of transmission.